Hey guys, we just got this Nema 1450 installed by a professional charging company that actually specializes in electric vehicle charging. They were at first insisting that for the San Mateo, Daly City County area that it would be better if we went with a juice box or something of a charging unit that just went straight into our main box and out to the box. But I told them that I wanted a Nema 1450 so you can plug in certain stuff. So because our box was full, they had to finagle and did a great job professionally to shift around with our main box that we had and work with us to get this bad boy in. So it routes around to the wall over there, and our main box is over here, inside here. So, yep. And also, I'm also using a new tool, this DJI gimbal. So they just went right through the wall, through the main box. And yeah, you just can take a look over here. This is something I'm just marking because I like to see the Nema 1450. They also installed it where the negative is at the top, of course, the ground, so you don't arc. But anyways, I'll take a look outside here and show you in a bit where that box is from the outside here. Let's go here. Like this. And there's our main box right there. How fun. Just open the main box. And this is it. We don't have any junction box inside or anything like that. So this is what we're stuck with here. And yeah, let me show you a bit here. All right, after I got that unlocked and latched, you can see what they did over here. They did some finagling. We only had one slot up above, but we got our new car charger inside there. And to fit code, they had to dig around and call all over the United States to look for this specific panel box to find us this 50 amp breaker. That's a GFCI, so you press that button and it will flip it. Yeah, you can see it's flipped off right now because, well, that'll kind of give you a clue. We're eventually going to get a vehicle that I'll soon do like just a quick tour of getting it, of an EV car. Yeah, we got rid of the RS3, which probably some of you were sad. But yeah, they did some finagling here and some great job. They found out one of these breakers had using only one wire instead of two, so they shifted stuff down in order to be able to fit this last two in this box and fill it all up to 125 breaker box amp, so we can have the Nema 1450 in place. But yeah, that's about it right there. I just thought it was fascinating. And then that big conduit that was they shot that through the wall. They drilled in the back of this baby right here, right through that way, and that's how you get it through to here. Yeah, there's the GLC still looking mean and strong as always. Yeah, there's the Nema 1450. So of course it's turned off right now, so I won't electrocute myself, but they did a fantastic job. And this got inspected by the city, so it passes. You know, you can't just stick one of these on without a GFCI in San Mateo County region, and I'm located in Daly City. But yeah, that's how they get all that stuff here, right here. Yeah. Put a little bit of sheetrock after drilling out the holes. Wrapped it around. This is where we had our ladder and the extender for the quick jack unit that I have over there. Still works after 5+ years of using it. Yeah. It's very nice. Anyways, just using it as more like a record purpose. Yep. Hope that was informative. This job probably cost me over $2 grand around here with permit and everything. It would have been a lot more if they had to put a LMS management system and another, you know, sub box over here to put that kind of different scenario, but they worked and made it work for us.